Okay, so another question. Hi po, sir. Sa cost of capital po, ano ang pinaka-expensive? Equity financing or debt financing? Okay. Sino nagtanong? Lucas Guerrero, no? Okay, Lucas, ano yung pinakamahal in terms of your cost of capital? Okay, unang-una, in your cost of capital, dalawa po yun, no? So, we have debt financing and equity financing. Yung debt financing, isa lang naman yan, cost of debt or cost of bonds. In equity financing, tatlo po yun. We have cost of preference shares, cost of ordinary shares, and cost of retained earnings. Okay, we go first with the cost of debt or cost of bonds. Ano yung formula niya? The formula is that interest, okay, plus yung ating par value minus net proceeds. And that would be market value minus flotation cost minus underpricing cost divided by N, term of the bonds, divided by, you will average the par value and your par value and net proceeds divided by 2. Okay. Kaya lang, in net financing, ano po ba ang ating consideration, no? Pag tayo ay nangutang, no, we consider pagbabayad ng ating interest, di ba? Ibig sabihin, if you consider interest, so the interest is subject to tax. Bakit? Interest expense po ay nilalagay po natin sa ating income statement. Okay. Therefore, yung cost of debt ay subject to tax. Therefore, pag nakuha na natin yung cost of debt, we will multiply it by 1 minus 1 times or 1 minus tax. So, yung cost of debt is net of tax na. O, siyempre, yung debt financing, sigurado, pinakamura na yan, pinaka low cost or less cost in terms of cost of capital. Okay. Ano yung pangalawa, no? So, in the cost of debt financing naman, we have cost of preference shares. Pag equity financing naman, our consideration is paying dividends. Okay, parang pag-uutang, di ba? Or parang if you will have your business, no? Pag tayo ay nangutang, we will pay for interest. Pag equity naman, we will accept business partner, pero we will pay for their dividends. So, in equity financing, we have cost of preference shares, we have cost of ordinary shares, and cost of retained earnings. In the cost of preference shares, ano yung formula? The formula is D0, dividend today, divided by market value minus flotation cost minus underpricing cost. Ano yung flotation cost and underpricing cost? That's your cost of issuing your shares. Okay. How about naman cost of